Yeti Trades here, going over my trades for Monday, the 6th. Two trades today. Pretty under the weather, so I did not get to look at the market as much as I wanted to, and there were plenty of great opportunities on several charts I looked at the previous night for my watch list. I took two trades this morning. My first one here was on TRKA. This one popped up on my scanner for an increase in volume pre-market, and it's had kind of a little bit of a run lately. It is a low price, it's under $1, but you can see where we jumped up from 37 cents on Wednesday, and we hit a high of 80 today. And I was kind of looking at things and trying to play out if we were going to get a nice little surge here Monday. By the time I had looked at it, we were already in this range on it when I had pulled up the chart, started looking at it here, so just kind of letting it kind of fade out, see what it was going to do for the rest of pre-market. And I played for just a quick scalp. I got in down here around this mid 58 mark, and I exited right here for 63. So didn't catch the top, but caught most of that right there for a quick scalp, 58 to 63. And then I kind of just went and laid down for a little bit and missed a beautiful pullback. We hit this support line here, couldn't close beneath it on this candle, and we just bounced, came back over the VWAP and the EMAs. Great run the rest of the day up to its high. What a great move to have missed. This spot right here would have been a solid pullback and re-entry. This would have been another solid pullback to the 20 re-entry. Once we crossed the anchored VWAP, we stayed well above it all day. Strong stock. The other one I played was BBIO. My thought on this one was I was looking for kind of an all-day fade. Kind of got it, kind of didn't. So nothing to enter in on it here pre-market. No good entries here. There were no shorts available on E-Trade, so I had to wait for it to open and play options if I was going to try to short it. Did not get there. We had this little stick right here. We popped up, got nowhere near the pre-market high, and immediately just pulled back. Did not pull the trigger on these puts. This was about the time in this area when I went and laid down for just a little bit. Came back, drew out this trend line, and closed down beneath it, broke it, drew this trend line. The options were not moving very well, and I think they're about $2.50 between each block you can buy. So I ended up playing a quick long on it. I was looking to see if we could break the anchored VWAP and hold it. I took a little anticipatory entry on it right here actually. So we came back above the EMAs, took an anticipatory entry, we popped up, and we hadn't moved much, and this was a really small amount. This was like a quarter size speculative play. If it were to have built and started going, I would have added to it, but we didn't. We pulled back, and my original plan was to cut it at low of day, and I ended up cutting it. Let's see, we bounced, came back up, failed to hold, so I cut it down here for a small loss. Real small loss, real small size, and it's still, the all-day fade would have been a better play, but on the options, it would have been a better play if you had shorts. because the options just weren't moving that well in your favor. Anyway, those are the two I played. That's what I got. See you guys tomorrow.